Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your DoorDash Dasher password. Keeping your account secure is incredibly important, and regularly updating your password is a key part of that. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to enhance your account's protection, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your earnings and personal information remain safe and sound. Let's get started. To begin, open the DoorDash Dasher app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is loaded, look for the menu icon, which typically appears as 3 horizontal lines or a small person icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Tapping this will open a side menu. From there, you'll want to select the option that says Account or Profile to access your personal settings. This is your first step towards a more secure account. Now that you're in your account settings, scroll down until you see an option labeled Password and tap on it. Depending on your account's security settings, you might be asked to enter your current password to verify your identity before proceeding. If you can't remember your current password, don't worry. There should be a Forgot Password link available. Tapping this will guide you through a recovery process, often involving an email or text message verification. This ensures only you can make changes. Finally, it's time to create your new password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Enter your chosen new password into the first field, and then carefully re-enter it into the second field to confirm there are no typos. Once you've double-checked that both entries match, tap the Save or Update button to finalize your changes. Congratulations! Your DoorDash Dasher account is now more secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.